states India has just become the fourth nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the Moon. Michio Kaku, one of the most recognized voices in theoretical physics, has been a staunch advocate for space exploration, frequently marveling at humanity's relentless curiosity about the cosmos. However, recent developments surrounding Chandrayaan-3, India's historic lunar mission, have left even Kaku, the ever-optimistic physicist, visibly shaken. What exactly did Chandrayaan-3 uncover on the Moon that has left the scientific community scrambling for answers and Kaku in a state of alarm? To understand the weight of these discoveries, it is essential to first examine what Chandrayaan-3 represents. Launched by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 was a mission aimed at further solidifying India's presence in space exploration. This mission followed Chandrayaan-2, which failed to achieve a soft landing on the Moon in 2019. This time, ISRO succeeded, making history by landing on the lunar South Pole, an area of the Moon that had remained largely unexplored by other nations. Chandrayaan-3 marked humanity's first close-up exploration of the South Pole, a region thought to be crucial for understanding the Moon's resources and its potential for supporting future human colonies. Initial results from Chandrayaan-3 were exactly what scientists had hoped for. Data confirmed the presence of frozen water, a resource that could revolutionize our ability to survive on the Moon. Beyond water, it also identified minerals like magnesium and silicon, vital elements for constructing lunar habitats. But then, things took a darker turn. The first indication of something extraordinary emerged when the Vikram lander and the Pragoon rover, equipped with cutting-edge instruments, began analyzing the regolith, the fine, dusty layer of soil covering the Moon's surface. Initially, the rover sent back images of terrain that appeared barren and lifeless. However, when Pragoon used its onboard spectrometers to analyze the soil's composition, it stumbled upon something utterly baffling: trace amounts of a material that did not match anything previously catalogued. Not just on the Moon, but anywhere on Earth or in our solar system. This unknown material exhibited properties that defied explanation, absorbing energy in a way no known material could, behaving almost like a sponge for electromagnetic radiation. Kaku described this finding as both groundbreaking and terrifying. If such a material exists naturally, it challenges our understanding of basic physics. If it does not exist naturally, it raises unsettling questions about who or what placed it there. Adding to the mystery, the discovery of anomalous heat signatures emanating from beneath the lunar South Pole's surface puzzled scientists. These signatures fluctuated as if reacting to external stimuli. Initial theories suggested subsurface magma activity, but the Moon is geologically dead, with no volcanic activity for billions of years. This discovery eerily aligns with long-standing theories about the Moon's South Pole being a possible site for alien artifacts or structures. While Kaku has been skeptical of most conspiracy theories, he now expresses concern that such possibilities can no longer be dismissed outright. The implications are complex, and the discoveries continue to raise questions about humanity's understanding of the cosmos. Weeks later, ISRO released data from an experiment conducted by Chandrayaan-3 that largely went unnoticed at first. Using ground-penetrating radar, the Pragoon rover detected a massive cavernous void beneath the surface of the South Pole. Within this void, the radar identified geometric structures that could not have formed naturally. These structures appeared metallic and arranged in a grid-like pattern, resembling the framework of a constructed facility. The dimensions of the void suggest that it was large enough to house a small city, triggering speculation about whether these were remnants of an advanced extraterrestrial civilization or perhaps artifacts from a forgotten chapter of Earth's history. These theories, while extraordinary, have gained credibility as scientists increasingly entertain the possibility that intelligent life might have existed on Earth millions of years ago, potentially leaving artifacts on the Moon. Meanwhile, Chandrayaan-3's rover began experiencing unexplained technical malfunctions following its scans of the underground void. Instruments started sending back garbled data, and the rover's movements became erratic. While ISRO attributed these issues to mechanical failure, some suspect an interaction with the anomalous material or the underground structures. Kaku has emphasized the need for transparency and caution as scientists and policymakers consider these findings. Chandrayaan-3's discoveries have opened a Pandora's box of possibilities, reshaping our understanding of the universe and our place within it. With follow-up missions planned and other nations eyeing the lunar South Pole, humanity's exploration of the Moon is only just beginning, and its mysteries are far from being fully understood. The Moon's atmosphere ensures that any structures built there could remain preserved for millions or even billions of years. If this theory is correct, it raises the unsettling possibility that humanity has been under observation for much of its existence. But for what purpose? Are we part of some grand experiment or merely a curiosity for beings far beyond our comprehension? Another theory is that the structures could be remnants of an ancient human civilization that achieved a level of technological sophistication far beyond what we currently understand. This idea aligns with the hypothesis that intelligent life may have existed on Earth long before the rise of our current civilization. Cataclysmic events such as asteroid impacts, supervolcanoes, or global climate shifts could have wiped out these ancient societies, leaving behind little more than tantalizing traces. If these early humans managed to reach the Moon, it would suggest that our species' potential for exploration and innovation is far greater than we ever imagined. However, there's also a darker possibility, one that has caused Michio Kaku and other scientists to express alarm. What if the structures are still active? The fluctuating heat signatures detected by Chandrayaan-3 suggest that something beneath the lunar surface is generating energy. If this energy is being produced deliberately, it could mean that the structures are part of a still functional system. If that's the case, we must ask, what is the system's purpose? Is it a beacon sending signals into the cosmos, a trap designed to deter intruders, or something else entirely, something we cannot yet comprehend? Kaku has emphasized the importance of approaching these discoveries with humility and caution. As he has often said, the universe is not obligated to make sense to us. Our understanding of reality is shaped by the limits of our knowledge, and when we encounter phenomena that defy explanation, we must be willing to expand our perspectives. This is not the first time humanity has been confronted with the unknown, but it may be one of the most consequential. The implications of these discoveries extend far beyond science. They touch on philosophy, religion, and even politics. If we are not alone in the universe, what does that mean for our understanding of humanity's place in the cosmos? Many religious traditions teach that humanity is unique, created in the image of a divine being. The existence of other intelligent life or evidence of their activities could challenge these beliefs in profound ways. At the same time, such discoveries could inspire new forms of spirituality rooted in a sense of connection to a vast and mysterious cosmos. Politically, the discoveries raise questions about how humanity should respond. Should nations collaborate to investigate the Moon's mysteries, pooling their resources and expertise for the greater good? Or will the Moon become a new arena for competition and conflict as countries race to stake their claims and exploit its resources? The history of exploration on Earth offers both hope and caution. While exploration has often led to collaboration and the exchange of knowledge, it has also been marked by exploitation, conquest, and inequality. As we venture into the cosmos, we have an opportunity to choose a different path, but doing so will require wisdom and foresight. The public response to these revelations has been a mix of awe, excitement, and fear. Social media platforms are abuzz with speculation, as amateur sleuths pore over the data released by ISRO and attempt to decipher its implications. Some have likened the discoveries to the opening chapters of a science fiction novel, while others see them as a wake-up call, reminding humanity of the vastness and unpredictability of the universe. As humanity stands on the brink of a new era in space exploration, Michio Kaku's words serve as both a warning and an inspiration. The universe, he has said, is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. But as we venture into the unknown, we must do so with care, humility, and respect for the cosmos, for each other, and for the truths we have yet to discover.